Hey guys, so this is the video of how I crashed my ATV while riding in the mountains. I had a day out in the mountains where I just went blasting, drifting and everything. And it was very nice. I had a lot of fun. It was my first time ATVing properly in the mountains. But then I got really tired and it was time to go home. And on one of the corners while returning back to the car, I actually kind of went too fast and I was about to spin out. It's because I had bald tires. The person I bought it from told me not to put new tires on it. I did have new tires, but I didn't put them on because he said you'll just keep monoing because it's too powerful. So yeah, in that last turn, I realized that I was going to spin out, but I was going too fast, so there was a risk of flipping it. So I decided to hit the bank instead because it was going to be risky. So yeah, eventually I kind of flipped. I just missed a massive tree. I was lucky to land into grass and bark. From what I know, there was no damage to me. But yeah, the bike was pretty much not totaled, but it took a while to get it repaired back to normal. And yeah, this is the video. So thanks a lot for watching. I have some car build projects that you guys can watch on my channel, so subscribe.